has recorded 2,462 HIV positive cases as of October this year, with men forming the highest share, followed by 13 transgender individuals and the remaining cases among women. Officials said Cuttack continues in Category 1, while the sharp rise in Nabarangpur district has emerged as a significant public health concern. Konark has come alive with cultural vibrancy as the 36th Konark Festival begins, drawing thousands of visitors. The 5-day event running until December 5 also features the 15th International Sand Art Festival and the Subhadra Shakti Mela, further strengthening the region's reputation as one of Odisha's major cultural destinations. During the Assembly winter session, CM Mohan Charan Majhi outlined major actions undertaken by the state government. He said 49 Bangladeshi nationals had been repatriated, nearly 500 acres of government land illegally occupied, and vigilance authorities arrested 270 government and contractual employees since June 12, 2024 for corruption-related offences. PM Narendra Modi urged parliamentarians to avoid unnecessary drama and focus on constructive policymaking. Addressing the media ahead of the winter session, he said India had demonstrated globally that democracy can deliver. He emphasized that debates and decisions in Parliament must prioritize national interest rather than slogans or disruptions. The winter session of Parliament began on a turbulent note as the Lok Sabha was adjourned within minutes due to persistent opposition protests. Earlier, Speaker Om Birla led members in paying tributes to 5 former MPs, including actor Dharmendra, remembered both for his iconic film career and parliamentary contributions. The Department of Telecommunications has directed platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, Snapchat, ShareChat, and Aratai to log users out every 6 hours. It has also mandated binding each user's SIM card used during registration to their web-based messaging services, tightening verification and compliance norms across communication platforms. Authorities in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri and Poonch district have ordered the suspension of VPN services for 2 months. The move aims to prevent misuse of encrypted networks by antisocial elements for unlawful activities, with officials stating that the temporary restrictions are essential for maintaining regional security and order. Team India head coach Gautam Gambhir and selection committee chairman Ajit Agarkar have reportedly been called for a meeting with senior BCCI officials on December 3rd. The discussion is scheduled ahead of the second ODI against South Africa, though the board has not officially disclosed the agenda or purpose. Odisha's 4 World Cup winning players Phula Soren, Parvati Mardi, Jamurani Tudu and Basanti Hasda met Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi after returning from Colombo, where India's visually impaired women's cricket team defeated Nepal to win the inaugural Women's Blind T20 World Cup. The CM awarded each player 11 lakh rupees. Actor Samantha Ruth Prabhu married filmmaker Rajnidhi Moru in a private ceremony on Monday morning at the Linga Bhairavi temple inside the Isha Yoga Center, Coimbatore. Attended by close friends and family, the wedding was later shared through photos on Samantha's Instagram, marked simply with the date.